Hello friends, today we will see in the practical session assignment number 12 non-verbal communication or graphic communication. Non-verbal communication. In non-verbal communication we will see graphical communication or graphic communication. So a small image can communicate more than 1000 words. Illustration of texts, numerical data, etc. with the help of figures, tables, charts, graphs is a graphical communication. Mostly graphic communication is utilized with written communication. Visuals are very important in many presentations. Visuals make easy fast learning. Pictographic messages are easy to keep in mind. In this assignment, you will encode and draw graphics for given communication situations. So, as you have learned in theory lecture, how to draw graphs. We have two types of graphs. First is bar graphs and second is pie chart. The bar graph is vertical linear or horizontal linear. So, but vertical linear graph is common. There are bars like rulers. So there is two axes, x axis and y axis, and on these axes you have to draw a graph, a bar graph, and another is pie chart. So in pie chart, there is a circle of 360-degree, and you have to put your data in that circle. So this is called as pie chart. So you have learned in theory lecture that how to draw bar graph and pie chart. So in your practical book, you have to draw two graphs. One is bar graph and another is pie chart. Take the information from the theory book and draw the graph and chart accordingly. Then assignment number 13. It also deals with non-verbal communication, body language. This assignment deals with body language. To use the body language in different formal communication. So, you have seen in body language, there are various aspects of body language: facial expressions, then kinesics, then vocalics, paralanguage, haptics. Haptics means a touch by communication. Facial expressions like laughing, frown face, etc. So, what you are going to do? The most important thing in non-verbal communication is hearing what is not said. So to listen what is not being said. The word non-verbal means not involving words or speech. Thus, non-verbal communication is the wordless messages received through the medium of gestures, signs, bodily movements, facial expressions, tone of voice, color, time, space, surrounding, style of expression, etc. In other words, communication without the use of words is called as nonverbal communication. So, in this assignment, you will learn the communication using body language. Every student will be allocated a nonverbal activity for performance. So, here you have to write the activities performed. So what you are going to write? That facial expressions, body language. I will share a sample copy of this practical with you, and you are going to write the activities performed here, and the teacher will give you remarks. So these are the two practical exercises which deal with non-verbal communication. Write these exercises in your English practical workbook. Thank you.